I thought hearing checks were only for older people until I tried one myself. I recently visited 20 dB Hearing for a professional hearing screening experience, and honestly, it felt really comfortable and reassuring. The audiologists shared more about hearing health and even explained some early signs people usually overlook. The screening itself was simple, professional, and surprisingly eye-opening. It reminded me that hearing health isn't only something we think about later in life. I also got to experience how hearing support can improve clarity during everyday conversations. One innovation that really caught my attention was the newly launched Unitron Insera Smile hearing aids. They are custom-made, discreet, and natural to wear. Book your hearing screening at 20 dB Hearing.